very to follow. So we are pretty present on Instagram. We've been doing Instagram stories as well. So this is one of our big platforms. We're also on LinkedIn, Facebook, X, which is Twitter, TikTok, and then we also have a mailing list on Substack that Ruiming would really love if you guys can support, because the Substack has some other things that don't show up on our other channels. Yeah, so you can scan the QR code or you can Google the Woke Salaryman Substack. There you can find also. Yeah, and then that's us with the book. So that's our website, thewokesalaryman.com. You can also find our stories there. Next one. This is our YouTube channel that we're trying to start and we're just kind of testing it out, right? So it's not very consistent because sometimes I'm feeling burnt out from having my face appear all the time. So I haven't updated it in a while, but you can go check it out because it's longer form video content that might be interesting to you. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, so we are a very small team of 5 people, including me and Ruiming. So at the back, our colleagues are here also. Wen Xing also draws for us. Lisa is our researcher and also a writer that helps you bring out and also writes some of our stories as well. And Viv, who just appeared suddenly, is our business development person. So she's kind of like our boss. Every morning she tells us what to do. And we just listen. Because we're not very organized. So that's our small office. That's actually our office actually look like that. So it's a very small team. That's why we don't publish too many times a week. Yeah, next slide. Also, we talk about money. So it's very annoying if your friend keeps telling you about money 5 times a week, right? So yeah. So if you have any questions, I believe there is a jar mechanic or system that you can drop your things, and then I just recently found out about prizes, so maybe you might want to win this thing. Yeah. So yes, I brought some over from Singapore. So yeah. Next one.